stand and put our hands together as we welcome the bride.
Sa araw ng kasal ng Singaporean na si Kelly, meron siyang gustong-gustong makita. Ang naging yaya niya sa loob ng 27 taon, ang Pilipinang si Nanay Lita.
At night, we would sing along with her.
Dum 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 pakitong kitong. When she would call the wind when she's airing her laundry.
Yeah. She's one of the most patient lady.
Yeah, it's like a hi nakabuhay.
Pero 2018 pa nung huli silang nagkita, nung nag-retire si Nanay Lita. Magkukrus kayang muli ang landas ng dating magyaya? Nakabalik na sa kanilang bayan sa Sibalom sa Antique si Nanay Lita, na bago naging OFW sa Singapore, dating nagsasaka.
Sa isang araw, ang kinikita ko lang dito ay 100. Minsan, hindi kami makakain ng 3 beses sa isang araw.
Kaya nagdesisyon siyang makipagsapalaran sa Singapore hanggang namasukan siyang yaya sa pamilya ni Kelly.
We address her as Yaya. From what we understand is Yaya actually stands for nanny in Tagalog. We actually share the same table as
She would celebrate her birthdays
Yeah.
every year.
Merong ilang taon na hindi ako makauwi dahil kaunti lang pera ko, hindi naman kasya. Kaya ang ano ko na lang, na ipadala sa kanila.
Pag dumating yung Pasko, sana nandito si nanay. Para masaya din. Nagtatrabaho ako dito sa Singapore para sa inyo yan.
Pero habang nag-aalaga ng ibang bata, ang pang-apat na anak ni Lita na si Shirley namatay.
Yung sa rabies ng aso, si kinagat siya. Shirley, sana naunawaan mo na rin ako. Mahal na mahal kita. Gusto ko rin mabigay sa inyo ang gusto nyo eh. At makakain din kayo ng katulad ng iba.
Ang pangungulila ni Lita sa kanyang anak, pinunan ng kanyang mga alaga.
Yaya, don't cry.
Before we sleep, we would chat a little. She would ask me about my school or ask me about my boyfriend.
Nagsabihin ka, you must take care of yourself. Don't give everything to your boyfriend. Kiss never mind.
Pero matapos ang halos 3 dekadang pagseserbisyo sa Singapore, si Nanay Lita nag-retire.
I broke down into tears.
So I prepared an album of photos for her to remember us.
Nakapagpundar naman siya ng bahay sa Antique. Nakabili rin ng 6 na ektaryang lupa at mga alagang kalabaw at baboy.
Halos 100 na teddy bear ito. Binigay sa akin. Parang remembrance ko na sa kanya. Kaya binigay sa akin.
Bagamat may komunikasyon pa rin sa kanyang mga dating alaga, mag-a-4 na taon na silang hindi nagkikita. Hanggang nitong March 2021, si Nanay Lita inimbitahan ng kanyang mga dating alaga na lumipad pa Singapore para personal na dumalo sa kasal ni Kelly.
I first decided on my wedding date. The first person I reached out to was Yaya because I really, really wanted her to be here.
Nung nalaman namin na atin siya sa kasal, una ang ginawa namin nag-makeover.
We have to make her very beautiful.
Kasi siyempre, bumalik siya sa kanyang dating ginagawa na pagsasakap, ginupitan ng buhok, na dayang kanyang buhok. Kasi puro puti na eh.
Pero ang passport ni Nanay, expired na pala.
Eh, baka hindi ko ma-renew yung passport ko. Last minute na eh.
Kinakabahan ako kasi yung swab test na lang talaga yung kulang. Kailangan 48 hours yung validation ng swab. Kaka-stress.
At 1 oras bago ang kanyang flight,
Wala daw siyang insurance na may COVID coverage. Naku po, I've never been stressed.
Kung hindi na kaya ako makatuloy, kinakabahan ako. Sayang.
Kelly was definitely very upset.
I was very confused. She told me that she was unable to come because she didn't manage to renew her passport. I really, really miss her and I want to see her.
pero ang hindi alam ni Kelly,
I prepared a very big surprise for you. Are you ready? Look over there.
I was very confused because this was not part of the rehearsal that we did. My veil was actually blocking my vision. I was lost for words.
Look over there.
here comes the bride, all dressed in white. Pero ang inaasahang bisita ng Singaporean na si Kelly, ang kanyang Pinay nani na si Nanay Lita, na may meligrong hindi makakarating. Pero ang kapatid ni Kelly na si Keith, may inihanda pa lang sorpresa.
And told Yaya to tell Kelly that her passport couldn't be renewed. The moment I knew that I could fly Yaya in, the moment the passport was ready, I actually booked her flight immediately.
Maya-maya lang,
I've prepared a very big surprise for you. Are you ready? Look over there.
The lady that is standing, she's the domestic helper that has been with the family for the past 27 years. She came to Singapore from the Philippines. Can you give her a round of applause? Give her a moment.
Mahal kita. Huwag ka nang umiyak dahil yung makeup mo yan masisira. I hope you have happy.
I was very overwhelmed and very happy to see her. I love her. I was lost for words. Was very, very happy to see her.
I will definitely remember her advice. Love my wife as how we show how love can be in this family.
Matapos ang isang linggo, si Nanay Lita, kinailangan na muling bumalik ng Pilipinas.
And I don't know when is the next time I'll get to see her again.
I'm very thankful that she was in the family.
So thank you, Yaya. Thank you very much.
Okay. Come.
I'm definitely feeling sad. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. May God bless you always also. We'll see you again next time.
You must take care of yourself.
Thank
You must
you.
exercise. You
Yeah.
must be healthy.
Yeah.
Then we can meet again.
Okay. I will try my best.
I'm gonna miss Yaya.
I have to miss you also. Take care. Don't worry.
Yaya, thank you for everything. I'm gonna miss you very much.
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. I have communicate you if I am free. I go to the town and call you. Okay? Don't worry. Very good. Good girl. Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Pag-uwi, sinalubong siya ng kanyang mga kamag-anak na buong pusong ipinagmamalaki siya.
Yay! Welcome! Bo, grabe! Thank you! Mayad gid nga biyahe. Welcome gyapon na.
At bilang paggunita sa Mother's Day, siya naman ang sosorpresahin ng kanyang mga anak.
Happy Mother's Day, Nanay.
Thank you.
Para hindi ka mahirapan sa magsibak ng kahoy. At saka ito yung regalo ni Kelly para mamimiss mo sila.
Ay, maraming salamat.
Hindi lahat ng ina iniluwal ang kanilang mga anak. Ang iba, hinugot nila sa kanilang puso.